Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add iframe to your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on Select and Edit Site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load, and then you're going to be here in this page. Once you're here, go to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find all of these sections, and in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. So go ahead and click on Edit Site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. Here in this page, you're going to find the editor for Wix. So all you need to do is wait for the page to load right now. And then once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections right here. Here you're going to find the section to add elements. Here you're going to find add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. So go ahead and click on add element. And then right here, you're going to find all of these elements that you can add. You can add a text, image, button, strip, decorative, and so on. So right now, go to embed code. And then here in popular embeds, you're going to find embed HTML, embedded site, and custom element. Go to embedded site, click on add to site. And then this will display the sites page here in your site. So here you're going to find what do you want to add, website address or code. Make sure you choose website address and then paste your link right here and click on apply. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.